to see the fastest sport on 4 legs? Alright, let's bring out our dogs. Alright, starting this run back, we have Libby the Rat Terrier. Alright, on the other side, on the black team, we're going to have Chase. On the green side, we have Ollie. Followed up on the black team with Cisco. We've got Lily on the green team. We have Portia on the green team. With little Hobie. Followed up with the superstar Jazzy. Alright, we have one rule for flyball. The louder you cheer, the faster they will run for you. So what we're going to do, everybody on this side of our arena, the black team is your team. Everybody on this side, you're the green team. Alright, are our dogs ready to go? Alright. Everybody ready? Is our crowd ready? Are our dogs ready? On your marks, get set, go! We have the Border Collie versus the Aussie, followed up by the Catahoula versus the Jack Russell. We have the miniature Schnauzer versus the Border Collie. We're going to finish up today with the Yorkie versus the Rat Terrier. Who's it going to be? And it's the black team! Nice comeback, black team. All right, as you can see, we have a little bit of everything out.